Okay, we have our head here. We've made adjustments on the mouth, so the mouth is going to open and close properly for us here. Got it screwed in back here, and we got our stick glued across there. So what we'll do now is we're going to put our stick in, and we've got it sanded down some. We'll mount our stick, glue that in. So I'm using a 1 1/4 inch stick, and it's 8 inches long. I'm going to inset it about 2 inches, between 2–2.5. So we'll glue this and let it set up for a little while, and then we can drill our hole for our string to go through. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to set this aside, let it set up, and then we can drill our hole up through here and get our string and our spring and stuff collected on this and connected, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.